Here also, there are homeless people. They are provided home. That is called as what? Chhatralaya or Aramaha. In India, they call Arama also as Udyanaha. Gardens are created for what? For all the senior citizens to meet there, correct? Parimal garden, this garden, and club, as you can see, all older. Nowadays, one more club has started, Laughing Club. Have you seen Laughing Club? And they laugh in different ways they laugh. And seeing them laughing, you also will laugh. Our forefathers never required Laughing Club, correct? Because there was enough thing to laugh. Modern day tension is so much, you require Laughing Club to laugh. Anyway, they do all these things. People require a recreation place. People require a place to move around freely, to relax in the garden and enjoy their quietude. That is also called Aram. If you create parks for people, if you create places for people to stay in the temple, especially Vrindavanam, Rishikesha, Mathura, Dwarika, and you will be surprised there is hardly any place to stay in Somnath. Have you been to Somnath, anybody? Number one, fish smelling is so much around there. All Muslims are staying around that place. There is no Hindu place to stay also. We have to eat something. I told few mortal people, why don't you start a mortal in Somnath? You will get money and you will get seva also. Both you will get. Nani yahi kholenge. Give this thing. Now listen. Next one we are going to look at it is called as Ishtakarma, correct? You read loudly. Agnihotram tapassatyam.
Agnihotram tapassatyam.
Vedanam chanupalanam.
Vedanam chanupalanam.
Atityam vaishvadevam cha.
Atityam vaishvadevam cha.
Ishtamitya vidiyate. Look at the translation. Agnihotra ritual, austerities, truthfulness, the daily recitation of the Vedas, Vaishvadeva ritual, and service to the guest are called as Ishtakarmas. Agnihotram is a simple fire ritual done by Brahmana offering 2 oblation morning, 2 oblation before Sandhya, and that makes it Agnihotra Karma. Prajapataye Svaha, Indraya Svaha, Agnaye Svaha, like the 2 ahutis are there. Jata Putra Krishna Kesha. One whose hair are black and has a son also, alone can do Agnihotra Karma. It's all that thing. See, after birth of son, your hair is black. It's an amazing thing, correct? Because it should be grey on the after child is born to you. So this is the Agnihotra. It represents the simplest Vedic karma, simplest. Then comes the sophisticated like Ashwamedha Yajna. All these are the Rajasuya Yajna. All these are sophisticated Yajna. Vedic karma, whenever you do, that it brings lot of punya. I have seen in any community in India and here, if there is a homa taking place, the fire retreats are there, people pour money. Why? When you offer oblation to the fire, to the Devta, you get what? Lot of punya. You know in Sanskrit, what is the name of Agni? Hutavaha. Whatever ahuta, whatever offered, it takes to the particular deity. If I say Indraya Swaha, offer oblation to the fire. Fire will take the oblation to the Lord Indra. Therefore, first courier service is what? Fire. Divine courier service. We offer. One guy came from here. He was in India earlier, then came back to do some homas. And Brahmana told him, typical Tamil Nadu Brahmana, very strict. And he was doing homa. He was holding, fire was going on, was holding with the oil, ghee and some tilam, everything in hand. And he said, Swaha. This fellow used to do pranaya, Swaha, apana, Swaha every day. He did what? Swaha. He put in his mouth. Panditji was shocked to see Shastrigal. He said, you Appa, it was to be put in the fire, not in your mouth. He said, Apdiye, isn't it so? He threw it back into the fire. Therefore, you have to know fire ritual. Nowadays something has started. Anybody takes any fire and started doing offering. It's not accepted. Do proper way, it has to be done. You do it, or proxy your Pandit do for you, fire ritual produce so much punya. Agni potram. Then what? Tapaha, satyam. Tapa is austerity. Tapati. When you burn down something, your papa is burned down. Those who are doing Ekadashi Pratham, Ekadashi you fast. You don't eat anything that day. Then what happened? Every time you are hungry, you remember today is Ekadasi. Every time hungry, Ekadasi, nahi ka. And that day only your wife prepares the best item in the home. Dahi vada she makes it, and she makes a nice curry also. And you say, why do you make now today? Why don't you make tomorrow? But what can you do? She makes it today and make you suffer more, correct? Then you curse yourself, why I should do Ekadasi? Any I will do Ekadasi. That is also tapasya. Not to eat is not easy. We had tapasya called Chandrayana Pratha. I don't want to get into the big detail. From Amavasya to Amavasya. Amavasya, no food. Every day one bowl of food, grasa, you increase. Or Purnima, full meal, and again countdown. And Amavasya, no food. That is called as Chandrayana. I tell you, either you eat is okay or don't eat is okay. But eating little is what? Very difficult, correct? That is called Chandrayana Pratha. Tapas. Go on feet. Parikrama. यहाँ से किसी ने गोवर्धन की परिक्रमा की है? गिरिराज? No. Nobody did that. Kailash परिक्रमा? Anybody Kailash? And so now, Kailash Janjali कौन goes? Nobody. What is it? Nobody is going to Kailash to hear from here. Anybody? Manas? Okay. Don't go. Better here. Okay, you're okay. Those who go. Kurute Ganga Sagar Gamanam Athapa Vrata Paripalanam. Anek vratas are there. People do Giriraj Parikrama. 108 times they do Sastang Namaskar, but and again go further. Or walking they do it. Bring lot of punya. Narmada Parikrama, there is one book also written by Lalji Maharaj. Excellent book. How he went around the Narmada. From the place you start, it's called what?
Amarkantak.
Amarkantak to up to the Bharuch where you meet the ocean. You sit in the boat and cross it. Whole Narmada Parikrama, very, very popular. Ganga Parikrama also very popular. You walk from Rameshwaram to Badrinath on foot is called what? Tapascharya. Tapascharya brings punya. You can see Hiranyakashipu also did tapascharya. Ravana did tapascharya. Dhruva did tapascharya to praise the Lord. Then one more is tapascharya brings punya. We all should eat. We all should fast at least one day in the week. In Ayurveda it is said Lankanam. Lankanam is what? You jump over, you skip something. Therefore, if you skip one meal, the body gets some rest. It also requires some rest. 24 hours we make it work. So it requires rest, good for your health. Our next one is what? Satyam. Satyam is what? Whenever you speak truth, it produces punya. And whenever you tell a lie, it produces what? Papam. One thing is there. What is Satyam? As I know, following the means of knowledge, pramana, and I say according to that, pramanik baat karna chahiye. As you know, as you understood, as you saw very clearly, you talk like that. That is called Satyam. Somebody asks your age, answer should be what? Typical American. Swamiji, I am on the wrong side of 50. What's your age? Around 40. You never get the straight answer, correct? Why don't you tell your age? Swamiji, very indecent question you are asking. You are not supposed to ask that question. But there is no woman in America above 35. They freeze after 35. They don't grow more than that. You tell fact. Income, tell fact. Weight, tell a fact. To doctor, you to tell a satyam. Correct? I hide from the doctor also. How can he help you? And income tax what? For satyam. Therefore, who is the great person? Satya Harishchandra and Yudhishthira never tell a lie. Now my one question is there. Please answer. All that is truth I should say, or all that I say should be truth? जो भी मैं कहूँ वो सत्य होना चाहिए, कि जो भी सत्य है वो मैं कहना कहूँ? जो भी सत्य है वो कहना चाहिए, ठीक है? ये रामा, did you have a cup of coffee before class? No. All that I say should be truth, or all that is truth I should say? All I say should be truth. All that is truth, if I say, what will happen?
Don't say anything. Keep quiet.
No, but suppose you say then,
Oh, then it's
the problem. You honestly feel that your boss is a filtered idiot, because when you filter all the idiots, you filter them on the top. So your boss is a filtered idiot, you feel very clear. And you heard the Satyam Vada, then you tell him, I honestly and really feel you are what? Filtered idiot. Then what will happen? Now there will be two idiots. Why? One who pronounce also will lose the job, and boss will kick you out of his office. Why? You say the truth. Swamiji, speaking truth, I got into a problem. And we told you also, you speak truth, but all that is truth you need not speak. Yadi vadishye satyam vadishye. As she said nicely, maunam. Sabha madhye maunam. Maunam sarvatra sadhakam. Suppose your wife asks, I want to buy a sari, then what? What? Then 2 hours you won't open your mouth and pose as though you have not heard anything. Suppose your children say, Daddy, I want to go to India for vacation this way, then you do what? Maunam, because you can't afford Maunam. Lot of